Hi. The focus of this tutorial will be the Compare Objects action. In 109, we took a look at the Get SAP Objects action, and an example here is I used a program for a field that contains a certain pattern as an operator. I found all of my programs that contained the pattern icore/DW star. Now you may have used a Z star or a ZAHR star or something like that. I have 36 programs that contain the pattern that I selected. Now the next step is to compare these objects. So let's make a copy of 109. Right-click, copy here, select your newly copied workflow. Right-click, rename 110, compare objects. Now hide your Model Explorer, open your component palette and search for Compare Objects. Drag and drop your action underneath Results. And while we're here, let's rename the results. So click on Results, go to the label and let's call it Retrieve Objects. Let's make up the source of our Compare Objects action. So click on Compare Objects, click on the Source drop-down and link it to Retrieved Objects. There are two RFC destinations that we're going to compare these objects against. Let's use the ones that are already out there on the canvas. There will be a new result that will be produced. So choose New Table and let's run the workflow. Now we right-click View Details. We see there is a status column now. Each object has a status. What's the comparison? The same or different. You may also see this in 102, which indicates if the object is unique to one of the two environments. Let's push this into a hierarchy that makes it really user-friendly to navigate through. We have an action here called Make Hierarchy, so we search for it and drag and drop it underneath the result here. Let's relabel the result. Click on Result, go to your label and relabel it Compared Objects. Let's make that the source of our Make Hierarchy action. Let's use the same RFCs that are already on our canvas. Bring out a new result, a new hierarchy result. The last thing I want to add to this is the object status to keep. Let's bring that right over here, right-click on it, choose Edit, click on Lookup and select the first four. If you want to see what can or cannot be compared, you can select the bottom two as well. If you want to filter out objects that are the same, you can uncheck Same. Click Save, click F8 on your keyboard to run the action. Right-click View Details, expand your programs. I see there are 9 different programs and 9 are the same. So 50% difference. Click on one of your different objects and I'm going to click on this code here. There is one insert in my system too and 2 lines of code that are different. You can click through them by clicking on the Next Change icon here. It highlights all of the code that's different. This Transports tab can be helpful in identifying what transport may have introduced this change. It's basically a transport history of the object. It can help you give information about what may have caused the object to be out of sync. Thanks for watching.